can do if you're having trouble visualizing what your drawing is actually representing. There's different ways to look at your drawing. You can look at it as a 3D model in the drawing for your own sake. So you can go to View, Modify, and you go to 3D Drawing View. So then when it's in that view, you can rotate it around. You can see exactly what kind of section we cut out of the drawing, of the part. So there's our halfway line, and the circles, well, yeah, you get it, sure. Okay, good. So now we have a broken out section view. To edit the words on this sheet, we can right-click anywhere that doesn't have a thing on it, so on the sheet, and you can press Edit Sheet Format. And then I know there's a way to add words. Annotations, okay. So if you right-click again, after having pressed Edit Sheet, you can right-click on the page somewhere and press Annotations, and you can make a note. And in doing so, you can put your name. That's my name. And I think you should probably put your student number too. Oh wait, I don't know. However you guys submit your stuff these days. So, okay, that's good. We have a note. And to exit this view, we need to do the same thing. So you need to right-click somewhere and go back to Edit Sheet. So now our text has stayed there, our part name is there, and we have a drawing. Another important thing to do for drawings is to actually have dimensions, or else people are not going to know how big it is. So, to add dimensions, automatically, you can go to Insert and go to Model Items. So from here, our source we want to be the entire model, so it's going to try to import dimensions from the entire model. And this is just how things are represented, like what kind of arrows you want and stuff, what kind of annotations you want. So you don't really need to worry about that. You just select entire model, press OK. And so all of a sudden, we have a whole bunch of measurements. And they never really come in where you want them to be, so you need to make sure that you space them apart in a manner that's logical. If you don't want a measurement to be on a certain part, for example, this 100, maybe you don't want it there, you can control and click it and you can drag it down, maybe. Oh yeah, there we go. You can control and click it onto the other model, and it goes into the same view or it goes into the same dimension that it is on the upper drawing. And if you don't want that one anymore, you can just delete it. So right now, this is fully describing our model. People should know that that's the top view. We have all the critical pieces of information. With our broken out section, we can actually see that the thickness of the pot is 3 millimeters. Otherwise, it would not have been free. And I think that's it. Yeah. Wait for it. And if you want your text to be bigger and stuff, you can click on a certain dimension. I'm sure there's a way to do this where you can change them all at once, but I don't know it. So you can click on a certain dimension. If you go to the other tab over here, you can not use document font and then change your font size here, see if it makes it easier to read.